Hi, welcome back to my channel, Mrs. Greene at Home, into my kitchen. So today I am trying to make classic baguettes. And here's the recipe online, you guys. It's at kingarthurbaking.com. I started last night and I just moved this and it's kind of deflated, but my starter had a half a cup of cold water, cool water, a 1/16 of a teaspoon of active dry yeast or instant yeast. I can't remember. I just used that little blue packet. And a cup of King Arthur unbleached all-purpose flour. And it sat, I mixed it up and it sat overnight for 14 hours. And look, all I did was move it from beside my stove to my island, and it's kind of deflating. Okay, so now it's time to make the dough. Okay, so I am adding 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Okay.
And 1.5 teaspoons of yeast, 3.5 cups of King Arthur all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And I'm just going to mix that together by hand to make a soft, somewhat smooth dough. Okay, so here's my dough. It's a little rough looking, but I had to add more water, you guys, like 8 more tablespoons to pull this together because I didn't want it to be a stiff dough. Okay, so I've just covered it with saran wrap and I'm going to let it rest for 45 minutes. Okay, so I deflated my dough and then I shaped it some, turned it over and covered it and left it another 45 minutes. And now that 45 minutes is up and I'm going to deflate it and turn it onto a lightly floured surface. So I'm just going to deflate it gently and divide it. I'm going to round each dough into a rough ball by pulling the edges into the center. Got our baguettes. Looking nice. Okay, now I'm going to cover them with greased plastic wrap and let them rest for about 15 minutes. Okay, I've covered them with lightly greased plastic wrap and I'm letting them rest for about 15 minutes. Then I'll shape the baguette. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes and these little baguettes have risen. They're kind of marshmallowy to the touch. Yes. Okay,
I'm going to transfer them to some parchment paper on my peel over here already, and I'm going to score them on top.
Okay, I've scored them and I'm ready to put them in the oven. I've got the oven preheated to 500 degrees. Water in the bottom, got the baguettes in.
Okay, I've turned the oven off. It was just over 15 minutes at 500. Now I'm going to crack my oven door and leave them in here until they completely cool.
Thank you so much for watching my video today and visiting my channel, Mrs. Greene at Home. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, thanks so much. I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks, bye.